They will use your own thing to lobby you. The same oil and gas they want sell out to Cameroon in Bakassi for make the community to block us. The same oil this current government is using to buy arms and ammunition fighting against agitators, promoting insurgents in the north, taking money to go and negotiate with the bandits that made them to have upper hand now, capturing army barracks. The step Simon Ekpa is taking is completely right. If you watch, it is the same this oil and gas that they want to use sell out to block Biafra, and it's because of this oil and gas that make Britain to come out to pump and play, to come out to fully to back Nigeria under Gowan against Biafra. And it is the same oil and gas that make Britain don't want Nigeria to break up to today. Do you know that oil and gas is part of the thing that make NATO and America to back Ukraine against Russia? Because they feel if they fall out with Russian oil and gas to Europe, then they will let pipeline from Biafra land across Morocco to Mediterranean Sea to Spain, so that they will take oil and gas from Biafra, mostly gas, to supplement what they will lose from Russia. That's part of make them confident to be fighting the war. And the construction of that oil gas pipeline is on now. Tinubu signed it. I mean, Buhari signed it. Then Tinubu start executing. Understand? And if you come, I think no part of Biafra land call them southeast that do not have oil and gas. I think last year or last 2 years or toward the end of Buhari regime, gas was located in Enugu, where a high institute, high education, we are digging borehole. After the borehole pumping went more than 1,000 meters in the ground, gas burst out, flaming, burning. It was supposed to be dead at that time. Do you understand? Eh? Okay. They went and called an NPC to come and check whether there's any gas pipe pass through that area. And NPC bring their map, bring obviously, do everything. Say no. That no oil pipeline, gas pipeline pass over there. That is natural gas coming up. You might have oil and gas. Anambra have oil and gas. Akwa Ibom has oil and gas. Rivers, Bayelsa, they have. Edo has it. Delta has it. All the whole part of South is oil and gas. No state that don't have it. Ondo have it. You understand? But the main one they are extorting, the main one Nigeria is making to be national cake, is oil and gas from southeast. To the extent the people in the north came down that place to have oil wells or oil blocks, as they call it.
So who gave it to them?
They looked at themselves. Who sent it to them?
And the southern leaders, they accepted that this.
Don't mind them. People, they will use your own thing to lobby you. The same oil and gas they want sell out to Cameroon in Bakassi for make the community to block us. The same oil this current government is using to buy arms and ammunition, fighting against agitators, promoting insurgents in the north, taking money to go and negotiate with the bandits that made them to have upper hand now, capturing army barracks. Eh? You, Mumu, na my oil. Biafra were fighting to take the oil of South. Biafra are fighting. We don't want to belong to Biafra. We want to belong to Nigeria. We are South. We are Niger Delta. Who is South? Who is Niger Delta? Go to the world map. Go and show me where is South and where is Niger Delta. Eh? We have Delta. Nile Delta in Egypt. Any place that the river takes to flow into ocean is Delta. Any country that the river use that portion of land to enter into ocean, that area is Delta. I don't see why Nigeria should become a nation or become a republic or state. Niger Delta. But you are there, you Niger Delta, you South are fighting for not to be Biafra because Biafra after your oil and gas. But a man from north own to 23 oil west did not talk anything.
And they don't have anyone.
You don't have anyone. Your Obong, your Ata, national rulers don't have. A politician from southeast killing Nnamdi Kanu, and you are there begging the oil from your father's home. They take it to bribe you to kidnap Nnamdi Kanu. You agree? They take it to buy Hanese to condemn Sam Oneka. You agree? Your own property. They use against you. You agree? Eh? Do you see? Okay. Igbo people, Biafra. Igbos are Biafra. Remember, we have Igbo in rivers. We have Igbo in Delta. We have Igbo in Akwa Ibom. We have Igbo in Cross River. Tell me, we have Igbo in Benue. Who are the Biafra? Who are the Igbos? Who are the John? Who are the Chakiris? Who are the Bibio? Who are the Anna? Who are the Efi? Is it not the same people? They don't know you as Efiko. They don't know you as a Joe. They don't know you as a Calabari. They know you as Nyamiri. The West know you as Omibo. They don't know you as Asian. Nyamiri, Omokobokobo, Omibo. I think they know you. Whether you like it or not. You see? Therefore, oil and gas is God given, God endowment, God blessing to these people. God south, east, or eastern region of Biafra. But the other thing, because of their insensibility, because of their stupidity, the blessing of God to them turned to be a curse. It turned to be a curse. But thank God that some Nnamdi Kanu, person like Nnamdi Kanu, Sam Oneka, have come up to correct that their mistake, to correct and to turn by God's grace. God will use them to turn things around. The blessings of the people will never be cursed unto them anymore. By God's grace. Are you okay?
But as for him blocking the gas, there in the Biafran land, do you not think this will make Nigeria government feed the heat as you guys using in the Kanu at the same time?
I'm not telling you clear.
I said, him blocking out the gas pipe and the reserve, the gas reserve. Do you not think this will cause them, to quickly act on the Kanu's case? And at the same time, do you not think Nigeria will lose out big financially as regards this?
You see, someone Ekpa to block the oil. Truly, if he can block it, it will affect Nigerian economy. To listen to the agitators. It will affect Nigerian economy. To make haste to listen to Nnamdi Kanu. It will affect Nigerian economies not to be able to fight Biafrans again, and not to be able to get money to go and negotiate with bandits in the north. You understand? It will affect Nigeria to look inward, to look another source of revenue for their income. it will force Nigeria to stop borrowing, because all the whole borrowing of Nigeria depends on the oil and gas from Biafra land. How many billion have they borrowed to buy war jets, buy everything from Italy? When they buy finish, they will say bandit. They deliberately go and dump it and say bandit capture Nigerian army or ambush Nigerian army and collect it. But in the southeast, it will be a total massacre. They use it to massacre the people in southeast. But in the north, they will dump it and turn their back and say, bandits have come and snatch it away. To equip them, to agitate for their own freedom through the barrel of gun indirectly in the name of bandits. Do you got it? So someone is right on what is doing.
Support.
They're succeeding.
So you're in support of some Ekpa blocking.
I'm totally support. I'm totally support.
I support.
But once someone Ekpa just the advice is just giving Nigeria, or the the force that is just coming up, that is just bringing out. I'm totally support of some Ekpa, because these people have suffered. Igbos enough. Igbos are suffering in this country. Igbos are don't welcome. They don't welcome your opinion. They don't value you. They don't value the Igbo man. Whenever they decide, they give Igbo man. So what are we talking? Are we one Nigeria? No, not one Nigeria. Not like one. And I don't see one. I never see one. I'll be telling them. It's a good advice to Nigeria.
Yes.
The Samaritan has given them the good advice. Yes, it's a good advice. That's a ship, and they coming to block the gas. That's the main thing, because Nigeria have sucked us enough. Nigeria have sucked the Easterners enough. After Nigeria Biafra war, they rejected that land. But what they after in that land is what the resource that belong to that land. That's what they after. They still use that source, the resources that belong to the Easterners. Still use it to suppress the Easterners. Use our governors, our senators to suppress our people. To suppress my brothers and sisters. Killing my brothers and sisters like goats. Slaughter them like goats. Whatever they like, they will catch and kill. That's Nigeria for you. Against the Igbo race. What an insult. Enough is enough. Some people have said it on. If the gas can be able to block, I think Nigeria, they will find it difficult. They will find it difficult. Even those money they are borrowing, it's because of our gas. Yes. They wait outside to borrow money because they have source they can use, to pay back. And they're suppressing the people that have the land. They don't value the people that have the land. So to block the gas, the main thing is very important. What someone else says is absolutely right. Because Nigeria have been eating the Igbos like ants. They have been suppressing the Igbos like ants. Everywhere they are used to survive, what Nigeria is using to survive today, I think it's coming from that region. They say they hate you, they hate me as an Igbo man. Nigeria hate me. I mean, the leg that I'm actually on the ground. So they said that Nigeria they don't want to use eye, to look at Igbo man or to see Igbo man. As far as Nigeria is concerned. And they say one Nigeria. And you are plucking what belongs to my land. They were eating what belongs to me for years. And you continue suppressing me. You don't want me to rise, you don't want me to talk. You don't want me to vomit out or to speak out. When I talk, you will come after me. Tell me, what did Nigeria contribute to this country called Nigeria? What did the Yorubas contribute to this country? What did the Fulani Hausas contribute to this country? That they are the one sucking what belongs to everybody. Sucking what belongs to that region. How many Igbo have oil blocks? How many? Everywhere we have everything in that land. The oil and the gas. Even the other resources that belong to that land. How many Igbo man? They still use our governors, our senators to kill their people, to kill my people, my brothers and sisters. That's why this security become difficult for them to, to overcome in the eastern part of the country. Now they can raise up and say, no, enough is enough. Let me protect my people. Let me protect my land. That is when they come upon. All of them, they begin the murmur. They come to form a Babago to cut down land, to cut down this security network. But when you are sick, when there was a sick bed, the brothers and sisters come back to them. Somebody that volunteered himself said, no, enough is enough of those mess. We cannot control like this with these people. Let's find solution to our land. He now bring his security network to take care of the land. Now when I tell you the Fulani use the so-called governors of Igbo land, the senators, to counter his security network. The form of Bago. What is the Bago mission in the east? What's the mission? They are the gunmen we are talking about. Or not gunmen that we are talking about. They are the ones killing our people. When they kill in the community inside security network, that is our problem. To use it to counter the good thing that this man have done in the Biafra land. So the solution is to block. So Nigeria will find solution to succeed, to survive. Another solution. They will look for another solution to survive. Okay, other countries does not have oil, they do not have crude oil, they do not have gas.
So you're in support.
They're succeeding.
So you're in support of some Ekpa blocking.
I'm totally support. I'm totally support. But what some Ekpa is just, the advice is just giving Nigeria. Or the force that is just coming upon, that is just coming, that is just bringing out. I'm totally support of some Ekpa. Because these people have suffered, the Igbos are no. The Igbos are suffering in this country. The Igbos are don't welcome. They don't welcome your opinion. They don't value you. They don't value the Igbo man. Whenever they decide, they give Igbo man. So what are we talking? Are we one Nigeria? No, not one Nigeria. Nothing like one. And I don't see one. I never see one. I'll be telling them. I never see one country. We have injustice everywhere against the Igbo race. Hatred. Marginalized against the Igbo man. After Nigeria, they abandon Igbo man. They don't want Igbo man to become the president of Nigeria. Everyone will come out and collect our mandate. Instead of Igbo man to be there, let Yoruba man be there. Why? Is that one country? So you come out and tell me you are one Nigeria. One Nigeria is a scam. It's a totally scam. So it's enough is enough. We have to block our enemies. We have to block them. Let them go and look for another solution. Let them seal it. Because they have sucked it enough. Why the people that own the land, own the oil and gas, have been suffering for years. Have been suffering on hand of Nigeria for years. So what are we talking? So it's a good movement. It's a good advice on Nigeria. I'm totally agree with Samuel Ekpa. That's the reality. I'm totally agree with him. They should forget all those governors and senators, Igbo leaders. They use them to suppress their people. They use Ohanese to suppress their own people. Where the Westerners are dublated, the Northerners are dublated. Be happy with the country. Even when the country is not moving fine, they are still happy. The people that own the source that made Nigeria say Britain today have become a slave. Have become a slave in the hand of Nigeria. And in the hand of leaders. Called the Nigerian leaders. So you tell me that we will continue like this? You cannot be sleeping I cannot be sleeping in my house. A visitor or enemy will come and slaughter my people, slaughter my brother, slaughter me. No. This is a time that we should supposed to wake up. The Igbos supposed to wake up. Wake up. Any average Igbo man that's sucking mama breast should wake up. To think twice. Watch for. See what is going on in this country. See the secret that is going on in this country. The evil secret against Igbo days. You see that they don't want you to survive in this country. And they don't want you to talk. Even when they're suppressing you, even when they're killing you, killing your brothers and sisters. Scattering your land, you should not talk. But you know will commit and be free. The Hausa will commit and be free. What of Igbo man? That's why they say living now they can over there. Because of what they are gaining in that region, in that part of the country. Because they know that Nnamdi is wanting the true cause. The true cause of Nnamdi is fighting for. They know it. So they don't want Nnamdi vision to come to real. That's what they say holding over the back, over Badia. So let me tell you, that is the solution. We're supposed to wake up and take care of our land. And so a no to enemies. The government to wake up and say no to enemies. Enough is enough to this mess. Wherever you are, as an average Igbo man, listen to me very well. You can no longer control the slavery in this country called Nigeria. Please. That is it. Igbo should wake up. The average Igbo man should wake up. The true Igbo man should wake up. Forget all those Fulani Igbos. Forget them. And our God will surely achieve. In the mighty name of Jesus. Amen.
But whenever you hear anything that comes from Igbo area, and whatever they do, arrest him, kill him, buy him. Look at in Lagos State here. There's Igbo in Lagos State here. When they were threatening Igbos to go, Igbos should die. Then he come and say, if the government of Lagos State cannot give them protection, then he will invite the ESN. The only speak they haven't done up to today. That's what establishing is. The man they arrested, I don't know him in person. I haven't heard about him. He's not a politician. I don't think so. Because he's a politician, he can be a popular man. Whether he's on the winning side or on a losing side.
As his link, do you not think maybe they've seen that maybe through his bank details or his bank account, they've seen that he's been, since they say sponsor, maybe he's been supporting them financially or with buying them arms. Do you think that that's what they're trying to say?
I don't see that man being a sponsor of IPOB or a sponsor or a founder of it. But I think maybe the man one way or the other have comments concerning activities of federal government against the indigenous people of Biafra, or somebody might have laid allegation against him that he is sponsoring or try to finance. Try to understand. It depends when the investigation is coming out. If federal government of Nigeria will stand on the truth and bring the reality, what made them to arrest this man, nobody can know. But whatever they told the public is what public will uphold. You understand? Now, because why I'm saying all these things, I don't believe that a man who have seen IPOB prescribed as terrorist group up to this day, they are terrorist group. If not so, they will not go and arrest this man that is sponsoring or is a founder of IPOB. Then if this was a really founder of IPOB and he still remain Nigeria up to now, I don't think that he's supposed to be a founder. Because a founder of IPOB or person funding IPOB supposed to be a wise man and know the critical condition the agitators are in Nigeria now. And know the critical condition how Nigerian army, Nigerian security agents, Nigerian government are coming out with full force against the agitators because of December 2nd. They know this is at hand. So they will do anything to stop it. And this person, they said that he is founder of IPOB still remaining in Nigeria, I don't think that he's a wise man. If he's really the founder of IPOB, I don't think that he's a wise man. He's supposed to find his way out. And the people that are coming to agitate, to rejoice over him, look around whether he's a people, whether those people having grievances with him. Because what I notice now in Eastern region as a whole, or Biafra as it came to be that are claiming to be now, or even extortion. When you get a permanent problem with a permanent person in government, and they pursue you here and there, it did not get you, you go and take federal might in the name of one thing or the other to apprehend you, to show you that he has power or her has power. This may be what happened to this man. They say he's a founder of IPOB. Maybe those people, he having quarrel with them, and they don't know any way they can take to teach him lesson than to link him up to founder of IPOB. And when federal government hear anything, because IPOB now has become a thorn in the flesh of government of Nigeria. So whenever they hear anything IPOB, whether investigation or no investigation, they will first of all go and hold that person before investigation. And for them to know that they are doing their job, they will announce it that we have a captured so and so person. They will announce it for people to know that they are doing their job. But let me ask you, or ask the public, why should people that are sponsoring family helpsmen, why are they not arrested? Why people are sponsoring Boko Haram? Why are they not arrested?
We've seen the current governor of Zamfara State, Dauda Lawal, come out to accuse the current State of Defense Minister Matawale as the founder and the sponsor of this terrorists there in this in Zamfara State. But people haven't called for Tinubu to, how will I put it now, to step down Matawale as the defense minister. But they were expecting them to step him down, but Tinubu didn't step him down. Do you not think, from look of things, do you not think this is bad? Because at least there supposed to be an investigation as regards this. Do you not think this is bad?
This is what I'm saying. What for people like this ought to be arrested? He's supposed as a what he says as a minister of what is his post? That Matawale?
Minister of State Defense.
Minister of State Affairs.
State Defense.
State Defense. His appointment not elected. Talk less of to say the meeting cover him. At the meeting, Nigeria cover only governors and the vice president and the president, even senators, reps. The meeting not cover them. Now, when this type of grievous allegation lay against him by his own brother from the same state,